Embarking on the journey from financial struggle to building wealth is a transformative process that begins with a single, crucial step: budgeting. By understanding where your money goes and making intentional choices, you lay the groundwork for lasting financial stability. Budgeting serves as the foundation, helping you prioritize needs, manage expenses, and set achievable goals. With a clear plan in place, the path to financial success becomes more accessible and less overwhelming. Ultimately, mastering the basics of budgeting empowers you to take control of your finances and move confidently toward a more prosperous future. To gain control over your finances, it's essential to start by understanding your current financial situation. Begin by assessing all sources of income, including salaries, side jobs, and any passive earnings. Next, carefully review your monthly expenses, from fixed costs like rent and utilities to discretionary spending such as dining out or entertainment. By comparing your income to your expenses, you can pinpoint areas where money may be slipping through the cracks. Identifying these patterns allows you to make informed decisions and reduce unnecessary spending. Establishing clear financial goals is essential for maintaining motivation and discipline in budgeting. By defining specific objectives, such as saving for a vacation or building an emergency fund, you create a tangible reason to manage your spending. Tracking your progress over time helps you stay accountable and adjust your strategies as needed. This ongoing process not only keeps you focused, but also provides a sense of accomplishment as you move closer to achieving your financial aspirations. Creating a realistic budget begins with selecting a budgeting method that suits your needs, such as zero-based budgeting or the 50-30-20 rule. Once you've chosen an approach, allocate your funds across essential categories like housing, food, savings, and discretionary spending. It's important to review your income and expenses carefully to ensure your budget is both practical and sustainable. Adjust your allocations as needed so your plan aligns with your lifestyle and financial goals. This thoughtful process helps you maintain control over your finances while still enjoying the things that matter most to you. Cutting unnecessary expenses doesn't have to mean giving up the things you enjoy. Start by reviewing your monthly spending and identifying subscriptions or services you rarely use. Consider switching to generic brands for everyday items, which often offer similar quality at a lower price. Meal planning and cooking at home can significantly reduce food costs while still allowing for delicious, healthy meals. Look for free or low-cost entertainment options in your community, and remember that small changes, like adjusting your thermostat or reducing energy usage, can add up to meaningful savings over time. Establishing healthy financial habits is essential for long-term stability. By tracking your spending, you gain a clearer understanding of where your money goes each month. Automating savings helps ensure you consistently set aside funds for future needs, reducing the temptation to spend impulsively. Regularly reviewing your budget allows you to make adjustments as your circumstances change, keeping your financial goals on track. These simple practices can make a significant difference in your overall financial well-being. Increasing your income can be approached through several effective strategies. One option is to pursue side hustles, such as freelancing, selling products online, or offering specialized services. Investing in stocks, real estate, or mutual funds can also help grow your wealth over time, though it's important to research and understand the risks involved. Advancing your career by acquiring new skills, seeking promotions, or changing industries may lead to higher earning potential. By combining these approaches, you can create multiple streams of income and improve your overall financial stability. Facing setbacks is a natural part of any journey toward financial success. Unexpected expenses, market fluctuations, or personal challenges can temporarily derail your plans. The key is to remain resilient and adapt your strategies when obstacles arise. Setting realistic goals, tracking your progress, and celebrating small achievements can help maintain motivation. Remember, learning from each setback and seeking practical solutions will strengthen your financial foundation over time. Recognizing financial milestones, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in building lasting wealth. Each achievement, from paying off a credit card to reaching a savings goal, reinforces positive habits and boosts confidence. These incremental wins create momentum, making larger financial objectives feel more attainable over time. By appreciating these steps, individuals can stay motivated and maintain a clear focus on their long-term financial aspirations. Ultimately, celebrating progress encourages continued growth and a healthier relationship with money. In summary, effective budgeting begins with tracking your expenses, setting realistic financial goals, and prioritizing your needs over wants. By creating a clear spending plan and consistently reviewing your progress, you can make informed decisions that support your financial growth. Remember, small changes in your daily habits can lead to significant improvements over time. No matter where you're starting from, taking the first step today can set you on the path from broke to ballin'. Your journey to financial freedom begins now. Staying informed about financial strategies can make a significant difference in your journey toward financial well-being. By engaging with reliable sources, you ensure access to the latest tips and insights. Sharing knowledge with others helps build a supportive community focused on financial growth. Your participation contributes to ongoing discussions and the spread of valuable information.